Hello everybody, what's going on? Today I will be doing a quick Minecraft plugin tutorial for the plugin titled Mega Paintball created by Synapse, which is in my opinion the best paintball plugin to market right now. Just so you guys have a little bit of an idea of what you can do with this plugin, is not just standard like free-for-all or deathmatch paintball, which is a lot of the only two features a lot of paintball plugins have. They also include capture the flag, rush the flag, which is where like a flag would be like in the center. So like for instance in this map here, you can see like in the center, that's where like a flag could be. They do have free for all as well. Domination, which is sort of where you try and capture or secure a 4x4 square. You could think of a little bit of like Star Wars Battlefront 2 sort of gameplay. I'm not sure that's the best explanation, but they have last man standing, destroy the core. So this is pretty interesting. It's where the other team sort of has their own structure. You have your own structure, and basically the opposing team tries to destroy the other team's core. So it's not really about getting kills, it's about destroying the core, if that makes sense. And they have kill confirmed, where if you kill a user, then they drop a name tag, and if you don't pick up that name tag from the player that's dropped, and let's say a teammate from his side grabs it, then you actually don't receive points. Alright, so that's some of the game modes that are added. It's 8 in total, which is a huge number. I mean, that's almost 8 separate plugins he has to code for. You can have up to 16 teams per arena. You have full choice of colors. It's not like it's pre-selected or anything. You can wager on specific like outcomes of games. You can select prizes, so that sort of thing. You don't actually need world edit to select regions, so the shape of a arena is totally up to you. As you can see, this is circular, but you can have a lot of wacky paintball arena maps. And they also have a very fluid sign system, a lot of in-depth statistics, a coin shop, which is where you can purchase additional stuff within the game. I'll definitely show you guys that. Per arena settings, and more. So without further ado, let's begin. So you guys might have guessed I will be setting up this arena today. It's built by Barbercraft builder Maple Pudding. But without further ado, the base command for this plugin is going to be /pb, which is going to be for /paintball. So the main commands you're going to want to use to set up an arena is going to be /pbadmin and /pbarena. So we can check out /pbarena. Now to create an arena, you're going to do /pbarena create and then the name of the arena. So /pbarena create, and then we can name it, I don't know, Final Destination. I think that's a pretty common term. Oh shoot, and you also have to set what sort of game mode you're going to do. So I think the most common game mode by far is going to be Team Deathmatch, so we might as well demo that. This setup process is pretty similar. Something that I really like about this plugin is that it gives you steps, so you never like think you might miss anything. So I can show you guys that for sure. So you can do /pb arena again, so to pull up everything, and you don't have to do steps exactly in that order as long as you get everything in. So you can do /pb arena min, and then arena name Final Destination, and then that's going to set the minimum amount of players allowed in. So now we can go set in our max. As you can see, with each step you complete, it's going to update the list. So we can make the max amount of players in here set to 6. As you can see now here, we can set the spectator area, which is going to be done with /pb arena, I believe, set spec, then the name Final Destination. Alright, another one set up. So this is just basically where spectators will spawn in. You actually can't set it up right. I mean, you can't enable it yet until pretty much everything is already set up. So now we got to go to set teams. So that's going to be in /pb arena. So it's going to be /pb arena set teams, then the arena name, final destination, and then you're going to input chat colors. So obviously I'm going to follow the example of like blue and red because that's what the build is. So for the team colors, you're going to use the chat colors, and be sure to include the and symbol there as well beforehand. You can't just type in regular numbers. So there we go. And now you're gonna have to set in spawns for both sides of the arena. So why don't we go set up the blue spawn right now? I'll edit past us setting up the red spawn just for the sake of time. So the basic command here is gonna be /pb arena set, and then we're gonna set final destination, and then spawn, and then we're gonna select the specific team. So we're gonna do, oh my bad, navy blue. I knew it was the color. I just wasn't sure if they wanted the name out or not. Now we'll go set up the red side. All right, so now we got the red. We're just gonna input red, and that part is done. Now you're gonna have to have a lobby there as well. Just personally, I like to put the lobby where all the other minigame stuff is, so everyone's sort of in the same location. Everyone can view like the stats and everything, but that's just me. So you're gonna do set final destination lobby, and then set it to all because you want everyone to I don't know, sort of be in the same lobby, but that's up to you really. So then what we're gonna do is /pb admin enable, and then final destination. Now call me crazy, but you've actually just finished setting up your first paintball map. So additionally, I definitely recommend setting up signs so people can join. It's a lot more convenient for people, and I guess people are just more or less used to it. So the basic command you're gonna do is /pb for paintball, then join, and then the arena name, which is final destination, and the rest will be handled by the plugin. Again, like I said, it's very responsive and up to date. So I mean, like, it updates in real time, which is really awesome. So I was thinking it'd be pretty cool to do a little bit of gameplay for this, but before we get into that, I'd like to show you guys like a little bit of other like neat features that you can have here. So you can do /pb top, which is going to all, which gives you a leaderboard for pretty much all the stats that this plugin tracks, which includes highest kill streak, KD ratio, dash accuracy. As you can see, this plugin is very new to my server, so there's not a whole lot of diversity, but I'm sure as it becomes more and more popular, it'll definitely attract some more attention. You can also view people's individual stats, so you can do /pb stats, and there I can view stats for myself, or if I were to do it for a friend, then you're able to view all their stats as well, even when they're offline and such. So that's very cool. Also, if you're looking for a specific arena to join but you forget the name, you can just do /pb list, and they'll actually give you the current status of that arena. So if people are playing, not playing, or if it's currently disabled. Also, if you want to set up a leaderboard sign, I could show you guys how to do that right now. So it's going to be /pb for paintball, LB for leaderboard, and then you can put in any sort of stat like deaths, kills, just anything, and then what rank you want to appear. So if we put 1, obviously that'd be the sign with me, but if we put 2, you'd put the person with the second most amount of kills, which is Mithy the Demon Cat. Alright, so now I think we're just about good to start up a nice fun round. Alright, so we got someone else willing to play, actually 2 other people. So as you can see here, you can click to join a different team as long as there's like enough people to play, and you can leave by right clicking the bed. So right now it looks like it's going to be a 2v1 either way. That's okay, and you gotta wait 10 seconds to start. You can't even like run out, it'll just keep rubber banding you back. I don't think we'll do a full game, but we'll definitely look at like what we got going on. So in the coin shop, this is the default coin shop. You pretty much gain a coin gain coins through killing, and they don't carry over to the next game. So you can't just spawn in like using the nuke, which is like click to kill everybody, you know. So there's a lot of cool stuff like time warp, sugar overdose, cowboy, all that sort of stuff. So like my favorites, probably the sugar overdose. I think that's the best, but that's just my opinion. It's a 2v1, so it should be a pretty quick like stack. As you can see, they do have a pretty in-depth scoreboard here. So it'll list kills, kill streaks, how many coins you have, KD, how the other teams are doing. So where it says like navy blue and then the number and then red and the number, that's how many lives they have. So if they drop down to 0, then they pretty much lose. So yeah, I think I'll pause the video here just so we can get some action. Yo, what's up guys? So as you can see, we got one team on their last life here. I mean, we only need one more kill to finish them off. Hopefully this is this. Oh my gosh, wow. So actually it says I got 2 kills there. I mean 2 hits there, but overall the red team has won. We got 15 kills in that on a time space. I got 9 of those kills. By the way, if you get killed, you actually have 5 seconds worth of protection where you can't be harmed and the other people can't harm you. So yeah, that's pretty clean actually, in my opinion. So some optional dependencies for this plugin include holographic displays, placeholder API, vault, leaderboard heads. So basically they aren't required to make the plugin run, but if you want to add in some pizzazz and such, you can go right ahead and get to that. So anyways, that was my plugin sort of tutorial for Mega Paintball created by Synapse. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Plugin URL will be down in the description below. Thanks for watching everybody, and I will see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed.